Di ubusin ang oras sa gym. Akala mo iyan ay may mararating. Come on! Mag-reels na kayo, mag-reels na kayo.
Ako nga, nangangalag na sa may
Ito, mag-reels tayo.
Kaya mo na yan, ma.
Kalat namin yan. Ang dami ko makasunod na dyan. Marami diba? Oo.
Nada mo naman dito, dyan isa ng halang.
Kaya baka di na tayo makainom yan. Lasing ka na agad unang shot pa lang. Ay, yung anong pa? Ano yung kahon?
But now it's time to go. Curtains slowly closing. That was special, very entertaining. But it's over now. It's over.
Keep on shining. Thank you very much. Spend time with me. Despite of your busy schedules. I'm so grateful. Thank you! The best! Grabe!
To be happy, you and I, like a diamond in the sky.
Cuando su resort, Alamante de Sierra.
I knew that we'd be at first sight after the end of summer.
Yung mga yan, lalo na to,
Pinatayang ilaw o madalas lumalabas